I'm ready for fall nails. I hope you're ready for fall nails because we're doing some cute butterfly fall nails. Why butterflies? Because I just went to Branson and I went to the Butterfly Palace. I might put some pictures of that at the end. Yeah, I'm going to, because they were really freaking cool. You just kind of walk around with these little nectar things and all these butterflies land on you like you're a magical fairy princess. It's amazing. It's the best thing ever. I had so much fun. So I'm going to put some pictures of that at the end for you. But I wanted to go through, I'm using Crisp, which is the green from the Sweater Knitting Maniology box, and also Cozy, which is also from that box. And this is Crisp. It is a very deep one coater cream fall green. It's pretty. It kind of reminds me of spinach. Spinach can be brighter. Old spinach, kale, I don't know. It's green. I love this color. I think it's beautiful. It covers in one coat. Cozy is stunning. I have been thinking on this for 2 days, like how to describe this color. And I want to say it's like a muted copper. Like it's not quite copper, but it's not gold. If you kind of mix the two together, that would be Cozy, but it leans a little more coppery. It's a very beautiful color. And I'm going to go through and pick up this rose design off of the plate and go ahead and get that ready for reverse stamping. I think this was... I can't remember. This one I just recently bought. This is a newer plate that just came out, and it has a bunch of great shapes on it for backgrounds. You know, obviously you can use them yourself. The color right above, or the image right above the one I just used would be great for candy canes at Christmas. You could do wrapping paper with these for Christmas. So it doesn't quote unquote look like a Christmas plate, but you could definitely use it in a bunch of different ways for a Christmas plate. And I love that you could just do like a light pink and a hot pink and have a little background on it or something like that. But you could also make it really stand out and be very in your face with color, depending on the color combos you used with that plate. So it's a very nice one. The other plate that's here, why I know this is from a Manny by Me box, and I'm totally having a brain fart and cannot think of which one, so I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm sorry. It's not the new Christmas plate. Oh, it's from the stupid knitting one. Not stupid. It's the knitting plates. I never got back around to using those last month. My schedule got kind of out of whack because we went out of town and all that stuff. And then I've been sick for the last 2 days. So if you hear me, sorry. I tried to blow my nose ahead of time, but I have a sinus infection. So I went through, painted all the base colors down. I put some brown stripes on and I ended up messing that nail up. So I had to do it over. That's why the stripes are suddenly missing. But I wanted to do the gold butterflies to kind of match the tone of everything. This comes out so sublimely fall looking without what I would consider stereotypical fall things. And I don't know if I've ever talked about that before, but that's kind of how I like to do nail art. Not to say I don't ever follow a trend or, yeah, at Christmas I'm going to use a Santa or a Grinch or whatever. But I like to try to look at it and go, what would somebody not normally do with that? And to put these colors together with butterflies for fall and kind of yellow toned, darker roses, I just think it came out so pretty, so different. I haven't seen any other posts similar to it. And I really like that about it. I like to kind of just reach outside of the box, just a little out of the box when it comes to art stuff. And sometimes that's not a good thing. Sometimes I get crazy stuff, but sometimes I get really pretty fall nail art. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you liked this look, and get ready for some awesome butterfly photos. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to shame my husband for his skanky cuticles, feel free. I do. Get him to let me help him. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.